How's it going, guys? I know I haven't made a video in a couple days, but I wanted to show off a little bit, I guess. We have 4 printers running right now in our kitchen, and I find that they are considerably quieter when they're on this granite countertop. I don't know, somehow I guess it's just, well, it's nice and sturdy and solid and flat, which is good to have a flat surface for these, especially for ones like this A-Net, which are just not as sturdy themselves. But I've got 4 printers running right now. This one is printing, well, most of them are printing battery holders, which I have mentioned already that I sell those. And this is selling straps for the face masks for the coronavirus, so that's fun. I've got 22 printing at a time on this. It's going really slow, but it's got a 1mm nozzle, so which I installed myself. I had to take off the stock 0.4mm, and I also had to make these little brackets for the Z-axis sensors. I had to print those, and I spray painted them black because even with the red filament, it still was able to see through those. And then over here, I've also got this Kingroon printer, which was my second printer that I got. It's printing 4 battery holders at a time. That'll take about 6 hours. And then over here, I've got this Monoprice 3D printer, and it's just printing 1 at a time because it's it struggles with more than that, and it's got to be tethered to a laptop because the micro SD doesn't work. So that's cool. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I've got one more over here, just sitting on the ground because this is an XYZ printing DaVinci 3D printer, DaVinci Mini. You can see right there. And the thing about these is that they have an NFC chip that comes with the filament, which I have taped to the side right here. This comes out, and I've taped it onto the sensor because I don't know, they require that you buy their filament, but I'm working on a workaround to hack that. I'm kind of struggling because it's an older printer. Anyway, more on that later. But so I've got these 4 going right now, and one more down here that I'm still trying to figure out. So that's what's going on, and I'll make some other videos on, I don't know, just a better update about how I'm upgrading each of these printers and some reviews on them. So thanks for watching, you guys, and make sure you smash that like button and hit the subscribe so that we can you'll see when I come out with the future videos. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one.